Hello and welcome to Florida National University. This time we're going to see how to create a test random block. The first thing that we have to do, go to Assignments, then Assessment, Test. We're going to click on Create. Remember, to do this, you have to have a pool. So please see our videos about pools. We're going to put a name and then reuse questions. We're going to look for create random block. Now when we have the random blocks, we can choose questions, for example, from the midterm or from the test on week 3 or word patterns. Even more, if you go down, you will see the options that you have. For example, you have multiple blanks or multiple choice, either or, essay. You can choose the format that you want. As soon as you choose it, you'll see that all the questions will be there. And you can click on any of those and then submit it. In my case, I want all of them. So what was going to happen? It's going to tell me that I have 95 questions. And I actually just want to use 20 of them. Then when I submit that, the system will recognize 20 questions and will put it randomly. From those 95, it will choose 20. Different students will have different questions. Then you click in OK. And now you have it right here, TST. Submit. Wait for a second. And then you prepare the regular way, as you know. What that means, make it available for learners, choose if you want multiple attempts or not, when it's going to be displayed, when it's going to be closed, and when is the real due date, because sometimes you want a different due date than this one, so you know if someone did it but did it late. Then you click and submit, and now you have a new test created. Very simple. You see? Click right here and you can start.